Here we have a BMW i3S, and what we've installed is a reverse camera. So this is a full electric car, and we did a fully integrated reverse camera. So it works with a factory screen, so there's no additional screens or anything like that. It just all looks OEM. Let me show you what's what. So if I open the door, so if you just pop in there. Now, if you have a look at the screen, so as you can see, that's completely BMW OEM screen. So now I'm going to flick it into reverse. And then you've got the reverse camera there. And what you also have is the parking guide, which all remains because this has got factory front and rear parking sensors. And what normally happens is that whole screen is taken up by this image here. So if I pull it out of reverse, the video image disappears, and that's basically what you would have got if you didn't have the reverse camera in there. But as you can see, when you do put it into reverse, you'll get the camera image there, and then you still get the parking guideline image there. Right, let me just show you the camera. It's just there. It's nice and discreet. So if you have a look. So it's not obtrusive at all. And if you go further back, you can just see how discreet it is compared to the size of the car. And all it does is sits above the number plate. And there you have it. That's a fully integrated reverse camera kit that's been installed onto this BMW i3S. Do you want to have a look at the car?